Here comes the designing part. For designing any structure, it should be important to know the maximum bending moment and shear force occurring at any particular section of that structure. So we'll start with calculating the maximum bending moment, and in the later videos we'll calculate the maximum shear force. To calculate the maximum bending moment, we should know the maximum load that is coming on the structure. First we'll talk about crane girder only. As from question you can see, on crane a trolley of 60 kilonewton and a crane capacity, that is hook capacity, is given as 300 kilonewton. We'll add these things and we'll get the total load on the girder, that is given as 360 kilonewton. This load is considered as live load or imposed load or moving load. But in the question, the self weight of the girder, that is the self weight of crane girder, is also given, which is as 220 kilonewton, which is uniformly distributed over a length of 18 meter. As I have already mentioned you or told you that to get maximum value of bending moment, we have to put the load nearest to the gantry girder. In the question, that value is given as 1.3 meter, which we call it minimum hook approach. So putting 360 kilonewton at a distance 1.3 meter from A and uniformly distributed load of 220 kilonewton, we'll find the reaction at A by equating total moment about B equals to 0, and we gets the value of RA as 444 kilonewton. Now as we know, the total load is something, and from that total load we find it the maximum reaction. Now this load is transferred to the gantry girder through two wheels, and wheel base is given in the question already, which is 3.8 मीटर. तो होगा क्या कि ये 444 किलोन्यूटन का लोड दो व्हील्स पे आ रहा है. सो एक व्हील पे कितना लोड आएगा? वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट दैट. फॉर दैट we have to divide this 444 kilonewton value by 2, which will tell us about the load on each wheel. Okay.